Okay, so this is the first part of the class project in which you will fill out the business model canvas and explain your get out of the building plan. So in the first page, this is 2 pages. We don't need more than 2 pages. So the first page you will fill out the BMC. It'll be specific about your project, not general. Each of the components you'll fill out as we talked about in class. And then in the second page you will explain your get out of the building plan. And that assumes that you're going to put 50 hours of work into the project total. You're going to take time to produce a product or service, and also you'll be taking time to actually sell. So the hours spent on both should add up to 50, and then you should estimate how many sales attempts you'll be able to have. And then I'd like you to think about 2 customer segments that you're interested in learning who is more interested. So in this example I say high school students and middle school students. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to put in hours of production, selling, sales attempts to specific segments, and then you're going to see what are the results of that. So how many sales do you think you'll have? How much revenue will that be? And how much profit? Some of you will be doing something where you'll be selling not directly to people, where it will be hard to measure who you're selling to, especially if you're selling online. So I made an alternative for you. Instead of choosing to sell to different types of people, you can sell through different vehicles to get customers. So Instagram versus Facebook, for example. I show you 2 tables that are alternatives depending on how you're selling. So the idea is that you're going to be able to try to do things in 2 different ways to see which works better. So you'll have a table like that, just one, choose one. Then you'll have a narrative, and in that narrative you'll explain specifically what you do, the test that you will have as I show in the table, and also how big your target market size. So basically you're explaining this table, and I will give you a rubric, and it'll be posted on the web page too, so that you can see what the goal is. So here's an example in a table form in detail. You have a narrative. You should have these sections. The get out of the building plan should be just 1 page. So I think this is going to be fun. In class we will give feedback on this, but you will also turn this in, and it's a small percentage of your grade, but basically graded for completion.